Welcome to Rome Tips. Be sure to subscribe and hit the like button for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this video are down below in the description. Also, keep in mind that this review reflects my personal experience with the platform. Tailor is a platform that allows you to sell tickets online for a variety of events. Whether you're organizing a conference, concert, workshop, or even a small gathering, Tailor offers the tools to manage your ticketing process efficiently. It boasts a user-friendly interface, making it accessible even for those who aren't tech-savvy. You can customize your ticketing pages to match your branding and offer various ticket types, including early bird discounts, VIP access, and group packages. One of Tailor's key features is its flexibility. You can easily integrate it with your website or social media channels. They also provide robust reporting and analytics tools, giving you valuable insights into your sales and audience demographics. Another advantage is their transparent pricing structure with no hidden fees or complex contracts. They offer a pay-as-you-go option, which is particularly appealing for smaller events or organizers just starting out. In addition to their core ticketing features, Tailor also provides customer support, helping you navigate any challenges you might encounter. They offer various resources like FAQs, tutorials, and direct contact options. If you're looking for a streamlined and cost-effective way to manage your event ticketing, Tailor might be a good option to explore. They prioritize simplicity and functionality, allowing you to focus on what matters most, creating a successful event. Be sure to check out their website, linked below, for a more detailed look at their features and pricing plans. They even offer a free trial, which is a great way to get a feel for the platform before committing. Remember to leave any questions or comments below, and I'll do my best to answer them. Thanks for watching.